Most beautiful small towns in the world. Number 8, Positano, Italy. Though known by some, Positano still feels like a hidden gem for many. Colorful homes climbing the cliffs, sparkling Mediterranean waters, and romantic streets make it one of the most beautiful coastal towns in the world. Number 7, Røn, Norway. Located in the Lofoten Islands, Røn is surrounded by dramatic mountain peaks and deep blue fjords. Bright red fishing cabins along the waterfront create one of the most stunning landscapes in Northern Europe. Number 6, Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Germany, a perfectly preserved medieval town. Half-timbered houses, old towers, and colorful streets give it a fairy tale charm. Its Christmas market is one of Europe's most magical experiences. Number 5, Zermatt, Switzerland. Zermatt sits at the foot of the iconic Matterhorn mountain. It offers charming wooden chalets, snowy peaks, and scenic hiking trails. Since cars are banned, the entire town feels peaceful and clean. Visitors enjoy skiing, hiking, and mountaintop viewpoints. Number 4, Český Krumlov, Czech Republic. A medieval paradise with cobblestone streets, pastel buildings, and a river winding through the town. Its 13th century castle sits high above the city and offers stunning panoramic views. Number 3, Jiufen, Taiwan. Once a small mining village, Jiufen is now known for its narrow tea house-filled streets and red lanterns glowing at night. The hillside town overlooks the sea, and its misty pathways give a nostalgic ambience that feels cinematic. Number 2, Shirakawa-go, Japan. Famous for its traditional gasho-style farmhouses, Shirakawa-go is a UNESCO World Heritage Village. In winter, the snow-covered wooden homes look like a dream. This quiet, rural town offers scenic mountain views and a peaceful escape from busy city life. Number 1, Hallstatt, Austria. Tucked between a sparkling lake and the Austrian Alps, Hallstatt looks like a fairy tale painting. Its pastel houses, peaceful lake views, and mist-covered mountains create a magical atmosphere. Visitors enjoy lakeside walks, boat rides, and exploring its historical town center.